case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A disputed tragic accident that claimed a life in the early 20th century made its way up the court ladder, culminating in the landmark Martin v. Herzog case heard by the New York Court of Appeals in 1920. The case centered around the interpretation of statutes and their bearing on negligence. On a curved road cloaked by the obscurity of the night, an idle buggy awaited an impending accident with the defendant's automobile. Without warning, due to the buggy having no lights, a collision occurred, tragically propelling the husband of the plaintiff unto death's untimely embrace. In the ensuing legal battle, the plaintiff asserted that the defendant had been cruising in the center of the road, while the defendant riposted with the argument about the absence of lights on the plaintiff's buggy. The lower court, in its initial deliberation, decided not to treat the lack of buggy lights as conclusive evidence of negligence, but rather an additional factor for the jury to mull over. The judge dismissed the defendant's pleas for the recognition of the unlit buggy as prima facie evidence of contributory negligence. The appellate division, however, had a contrasting view, disagreeing with the decision of the lower court. It ruled in favor of the defendant, leading to a reversal of the initial verdict and the commission of a new trial with different considerations. The New York Court of Appeals, in a historic verdict, declared that the trial judge had committed an error. It declared that negligence is essentially a breach of required reasonable care, prominently including statutory guidelines. As a result, the plaintiff's failure to illuminate her buggy with lights as required by the law was inevitably regarded as negligence per se. The court's decision not only sided with the defendant, but exceeded his demands, highlighting jury limitations and emphasizing the vital role of statutory guidelines in determining negligence.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit LSD.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.